You're writing JAMB and you come across a question in mathematics which says k over root 3 plus root 2 is equals to k root 3 minus 2. This is a shortcut method on how to go about this. What do you do first? Let's work with the left hand side, which is k over root 3 plus root 2. So what do? We take the conjugate of the denominator, multiply by the numerator and denominator. This becomes, so the conjugate here is what? Root 3 minus root 2. Multiply by the numerator and denominator. Now let's simplify. K times k will give us what? K. Now it's k times root 3 will give us k root 3 minus k times root 2 will give us k root 2 over. Now if you look at the denominator, you don't need to start multiplying. This is, looking at this is difference of two squares. Let me explain that. If you have a square minus b square, this is the same thing as saying what? A plus b multiplied by a minus b. So in this case now, the a is the root 3, while the b is the root 2. Now let's substitute here. We have root 3 square minus the b, which is root 2 square. So square roots cancel squares, we have 3, minus square root that cancels the square, we have 2. 3 minus 2 gives us 1. That means the denominator here, what is going to be what? 1, right? So k root 3 minus k root 2 is equals to what? K root 3 minus what? K root 2. So this is what we have now for the left hand side. Now let's equate it to the right hand side. This becomes k root 3 minus k root 2 is equal to k root 3 minus what? 2. Now let's call it like terms. This becomes k root 3. This k root 3 will cross to the left hand side to become a negative value. So we have minus k root 3 minus k root 2 minus, okay, this is equal to, now the minus 2 here maintains its position, right? K root 3 minus k root 3 gives us 0. So we are left with k minus k root 2 is equals to minus 2, right? So at this point, what happens? The negative cancels the what? The negative side here, we have k root 2 is equal to 2. So remember, what we are looking for is the value for k. So what do? We divide both sides by what? By root 2. So that root 2 cancels root 2. We are going to be left with what? K is equal to what? 2 over root 2. So this is 2 over root 2. So to get the final answer, what we are going to do is we are going to rationalize by multiplying through by the what? By the value of the denominator. So here we have 2 times root 2 will give us what? 2 root 2 over root 2 times root 2 will give us what? Root 4. This is equal to 2 times root 2 over what? Square root of 2 is 2. So 2 cancels 2. The final answer is equals to root 2. So looking at the 4 options, the answer is option D. Alright, so this is a shortcut method of how to solve this. There's a longer method we can use to solve this. Kindly subscribe to Aisha Bande calculations on YouTube. You see the long method on how to solve the same question. But what we have solved here now is the JAMB shortcut method. See you in my next video.